This is so much fun. Hey guys, what's going on? I'm Leah and you're watching Glamour Gadgets and Gaming by Leah. Guys, today I bring you my first look and unboxing of the brand spanking new, available to buy as of today, the Google PixelBook Go. Guys, it comes in 4 variants. The entry model with the Intel Core M3 priced at £629, and the top end model with the Intel Core i7 4K display and 256GB storage costing at £1,329. Now I've picked up this Intel Core i5 model with 16 gigs of RAM, 128 gigs of internal storage, a full HD display for only £949. Now guys, let's just check out what's in the box. So in the box, guys, we have some user instructions, user manuals, some PixelBook stickers, a charging brick, and a USB Type-C cable. And guys, the beauty itself, the Google PixelBook Go. It's so stunning. Check it out, guys. So I've gone for the just black colour. It also comes in not pink. It's an absolute stunner. Feels so good in the hand. Ooh, this is so cool. A griddle finish here at the back. Beautiful matte black finish. Google logo. So here we have the USB Type-C port, a light indicator here, another USB Type-C port, and we also have a headphone jack, guys. Check it out, guys, it's a real beauty. It's super slim, 13mm ultra thin, and weighing at only £2. So Google claims that the PixelBook Go has up to 12 hours battery life and a super fast charge. A 20-minute charge will give us an easy 2-hour battery life. Well, I sure will be putting this PixelBook Go to the full test, and I shall share my findings with you guys very soon. Now this model in front of us is the Intel Core i5. It has an amazing 16GB RAM, 128GB internal storage. It has this beautiful Full HD 13.3 inches display and an impressive, much welcomed 1080p HD duo camera, which is quite uncommon even on the most expensive laptops we've seen. It has a full, stunning silent in operation keyboard, which is the best on any PixelBook to date. Guys, we have these dual front firing speakers, which I'll also be testing soon. It also comes with all our favorite Google apps, and guys, the Google Assistant button here on the keyboard. It also has built-in security, which includes virus protection, the Titan C security chip to protect our personal information, and over-the-air updates with Chrome OS. I have left the link for it in the description box below for you to go and check out and maybe grab yours as well. Now, so far so good. I am quite impressed. It looks stunning, it weighs light as a feather, it's packed with some fantastic specs and features, and it's quite reasonably priced. Don't you guys think so? Now the big question is, will it replace my current daily driver, the MacBook Air? Is it powerful and worthy enough for all my video editing and daily usual stuff? Well, we shall find out in the coming days. I'll now get playing with my new toy. Meanwhile, you guys share your thoughts on the first look. Fire away with any questions you may have on it. And guys, do tell me, do you want to see anything specific on it? And I'll be back very soon with my final verdict. So guys, this was my quick unboxing and first look of the PixelBook Go, which has landed and ready to buy as of today. I have left the link for it in the description box below for you guys to go and check it out for yourselves in more detail, check out the prices, specs, etc., and see what other people have got to say about it, and if you are tempted enough to go and grab one for yourselves too. I also do have a very special Google giveaway coming up on the channel very soon, so stay tuned for more on it. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and if you have, don't forget to comment, like, share and subscribe. Follow me on Twitter, Facebook and Instagram. Hit that bell icon above to be notified of my upcoming videos, giveaways, etc. And guys, thank you so much for watching. Until the next one, take care. Bye.